another hot one here in East Texas. Right now, not too bad though. We are in the 80s, 84 right now, but our dew point is 71. Our dew point is a measure of how much humidity is in the air, so it's feeling pretty muggy. You can see it's already kicking up our feel-like temperature, pushing the 90s as the feel-like. All right, the story of the day. Still heat. Everywhere in pink, so pretty much all of East Texas is under an excessive heat warning. That's from now all the way through 9 p.m. tonight. With that, what we're expecting are heat index values, that's our feel-like temperature, to be 110 degrees or hotter. Let's take a look hour by hour. Already feeling like the triple digits by the time we get to 11 a.m. today. Ramping it up, feeling like 110 by 2 p.m. And then from there, feeling like a sizzling 112 around 5 p.m. today. This is because it is very humid. So look at this water vapor imagery. You see these little white swirls that are kind of making their way over Tyler and Dallas? That's very humid air. And what that's going to do is going to make our temperatures feel a lot hotter than they are. It's going to make our air feel very muggy too. So maybe pack your hairspray today. All right, our air temperatures. Feeling in the we are in the triple digits for most of us. Longview and Tyler at 105, same in Mineola and Gilmer. Places like Linden and Jefferson topping out at 106 today. Sulphur Springs going up to 104. Athens and Palestine topping out at 106 as the max temperature. Nacogdoches at 104 this afternoon. Unfortunately, we're not getting much relief tonight. Most of us are going down to the 80s. Tyler 83, same in Gilmer. Linden and Jefferson at 84. St. Augustine at 80. Lufkin and Groveton, same in Crockett. You guys are going into the 70s, so you're cooler than most of us. But the 80s are hanging on for the next few days, at least for most of our area. 83 tonight, and then we are sticking with the 80s for the next 5 days. So we won't be getting relief from those triple-digit temps that we're experiencing during the day. So be sure that you're staying hydrated and paying attention to your body, because if you're feeling faint or dizzy, you're having excess sweating, cold or clammy skin, you might be experiencing heat exhaustion. So be sure that you get to a cool place and drink water. But if you have a throbbing headache, you have all of a sudden stopped sweating and you start to feel very, very cold, you might be experiencing heat stroke. So call 911 right away and take immediate action to get cool. All right, let's take a look at our future skycast. We have some clouds coming into our area, but those are going to start to burn off by the time we get to this afternoon. Unfortunately, not bringing any rain, so that's not going to help our fire risk. Parts of deeper East Texas are already in a very high fire risk today. Parts of us are in high, that's in the yellow, and then up here in the blue in a moderate. But it looks like it's going to stay pretty high for the next couple of days because it's dry and hot. The heat is coming from this area of high pressure that's going to sit over us for the next couple of days. But then thankfully on Friday and Saturday and the weekend, it's going to start to move out and possibly bring us a chance of rain in the weekend. But triple digits today and tomorrow and for the next 7 days. It's going to be hot and dry until we get to Sunday and Monday when we have a chance of rain returning to our forecast.